Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we will explain on BMW 3 Series, guys. That will be the generation 2013 to 2005 to 2013, my bad. How to locate the fuse for the engine start and stop ignition switch. Okay, this switch right here. If yours doesn't want to start, doesn't want to turn on, we'll show you guys which two fuses you need to check. Now we have more than 200 videos on this car, guys, so please subscribe. Okay, quite a few videos will come, and also if you need help with anything, drop a comment, we'll try to make a video for you. So let's go ahead and start on it now. First thing, I want you to go ahead and walk to the other side now, okay, to the passenger side of the vehicle, because we'll need to locate the fuse panel box, which is behind the glove box, actually behind the glove box compartment. So you will need to open your glove box, make sure it's completely empty. Now, okay, you can see right here on the back you have one round thing, turn it up 90 degrees, and one on this side, the same thing. You can go ahead, pull that panel out. Now we have two fuses for that work now, and the first one is fuse number 4, which is a very small fuse. I think it's a 5 amp fuse. So let me get the fuse puller from here. Okay, and fuse number 4, guys, okay, that panel, that row right there on top under my fingernail, the fourth one from left to right, it will be a 5 amp fuse. It will be the one before the last one, so we'll pull it out. Okay, this is one of the fuses, guys. You can find the fuses that we use, the replacement fuses, in the description of the video below if you need to. So this is the first one. Let me go ahead and install it and show you where the main one is for the ignition now. The main one is pretty big fuse, and it's fuse number 5051. 51 is ginormous fuse. It's 30 amp, but it's big in size, and it's this one, the second one on this row from left to right. It's that green one now. So I'll just grab it with my hands. Okay, and I pulled it out. This is for the ignition too, guys. Now the replacement fuse that we have will be listed again in the description of the video below, so if you need it, guys, just check it out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and install it now. Okay, the second from left to right, you have to make sure that everything's lining up, because otherwise you're going to cause damage. And I just heard the ignition switch turning on, like unlocking the steering wheel. So that's how you guys do it. Okay, all you have to do, install your cover here later, which is pretty simple. So thank you. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.